Hi, I'm Lynn Schultz, and I've had my share of health challenges, but I've discovered that illness isn't natural. It may seem like a natural part of life until you consider how much of it we actually create for ourselves by not taking good care, by doing things we shouldn't, or by avoiding things that can help. Take heart disease, today's leading killer. Nature didn't create it, and in most cases, doctors have linked it to nutrition, to the extra stress, toxins, and pounds we carry around, and to our habits. The good news is that doctors are discovering new ways for you to enhance your wellness so you can live in a healthier body no matter what your current health status is. And our free newsletter, The Healthy Herald, can help you stay on top of it all. We draw upon the knowledge of top doctors like Dr. Christine Lydon, celebrity fitness trainer and author of 10 Years Thinner. Dr. Eric Braverman, world-renowned anti-aging expert and author of many books such as Younger You and The Edge Effect. Dr. Marshall Ringstorff, leading nutritional scientist and author of many books such as The Vitamin C Connection and Psychodietetics. When you sign up for our free weekly newsletter, you'll receive a money-saving coupon that you can use now, plus quick tips, healthy recipes, and exclusive offers delivered to your inbox each week. We'll cover a range of topics from nutrition and beauty breakthroughs to pet health, wellness, and fitness solutions. Of course, you can easily remove yourself from our mailing list at any time, and we respect your privacy. We don't rent or sell your personal information to anyone, ever. Thanks for signing up. I hope you find our weekly newsletter tips and exclusive offers really helpful. And remember, we're always here for you. Just give us a call at 1-800-HEALTHY or email support@1800healthy.com.